ChatGPT just got a massive upgrade. Apps are now built right into the chat, and this changes everything. You can now use real apps like Spotify, Canva, Figma, Booking.com, Expedia, Zillow, and Coursera, all inside ChatGPT. Just say, Spotify, make me a playlist, or Canva, design a slide deck, and it actually does it right there in your chat. No more switching between tabs or juggling tools. Your travel agent, designer, and personal DJ are all in one place. These integrations are already live, and OpenAI just launched the new Apps SDK so developers can build even more tools for ChatGPT. That means apps like Uber, DoorDash, OpenTable, Target, and AllTrails are coming soon. ChatGPT will even start suggesting apps automatically based on your conversation. If you're talking about travel, it might bring up Expedia. If you're discussing design, it could open Canva for you. When you connect an app, ChatGPT will show you what data is being shared so you stay in control. Everything runs on a new system called Model Context Protocol, which helps ChatGPT talk to apps safely and smartly. And here's what makes this update so powerful. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot anymore, it's becoming a full AI platform. You can plan trips, design content, study online, or even search homes without leaving the chat. And yes, automation tools like Zapier are still useful for custom workflows or apps that haven't joined yet. This is the start of something big. Try it now. Ask Spotify to play your Vibe playlist or Expedia to find your next trip. You'll see just how powerful ChatGPT has become. And if you want to stay ahead of every new AI update, subscribe to AI App Scout. We send out a free newsletter every Friday with the latest tools, news, and tutorials. Stay curious, stay creative, and let AI do the heavy lifting.